Good morning. Today is the 33rd of August 2012. The market opened slightly lower than yesterday at 19397, which is about like 20-30 pips, about 20 odd pips, from yesterday, closing at 19418 with a low point so far at 19376. Looks a bit like an uptrend at the moment. If you look at a faster chart, still cannot actually work out there's any trend at all. So I'm still sort of waiting for a chance to enter the market. Place an order at 19429. as a long contract. Just filled the order, but the price sort of went down afterwards. I'm going to give it a break at this point. One, two, about 10 points, yeah. Give it a break at this point. I might as well being generous, give it a break at this point. 98 is about like 20 points. It's quite a lot there. No, I'll give it a break at this point. Might have to get rid of it, by the time it's actually got to the price.
Order pending.
Yeah, I might have to move it up a little bit, because this is not a very healthy sort of deal. I might as well close it there.
Order filled.
Yeah, close it. Lucky enough, I didn't lose any money. It will come back down again, I reckon, and then I buy it at a lower spot. Make 1 pip. So I think I did the right thing just now, because I exit at the right time and make 1 pip. Or else then seems to be a support there now. Sorry, it seems to be my exit price now is a resistance point, and it will still go through eventually, I reckon, because I got a feeling is at the end of the day, half day, the market should go up, the price should go up. But it's on the safe side, it's always good to get in at a better entry price. Looks like at 19416 could be a good entry point. Yeah, I tried it, and then I just put a stop at. I can make like a 14-point stop. Yeah, about 20-point stop. Okay, let's get in there.
Order pending.
1.5. I'm going to stop at say that point. 399.
Order pending.
Exit somewhere around there, 52, a good 30 points. 19947. I'll work out the exit price in a minute. It depends on whether I can make a few points or not. I don't think I can get in at that point. If I can get in at that point, then very likely it would be a failed investment. So I think I better move a little bit at 1.7. It's more sensible, or might be even 1.8. That point, 19418. Quite close now. It's only 2 points. See what we can get in. So that's a good sign. Then the price should go up. If it doesn't get to that point, we wait and see. Just got the order. Not sure whether it will go further down. Got a stop there. Hopefully it stay there and climbing up. In fact, on the safe side of the stop, I should move the stop somewhere below the support line. Well below that, below the lower trend of this candle bar. Possibly it will rebound at about 405 if I'm correct. If it keep going down, it should be somewhere there. So I've got a relatively safe stop loss there. It looks like it. This is the 19430 is the immediate target.
Order pending.
We'll see in a minute. This is pretty much a testing trade because I don't think it is a good idea to engage in any trade this morning because max, if you're very good, then you get about 50 points max if you look at the trend. So if I can survive on this trade, I better sort of wait until a faster market before I make another trade. Doesn't look good to me. I'm going to close it now.
Order cancelled.
Not losing a point. Oh, it went up. Okay, doesn't matter. But doesn't look good to me because doesn't seem to have any momentum going up. Got to go. Let's check the damage so far. Could be just some commission. 31st of August. I lost $100 because of the commission. If you look at it, the price is now moving up, and the original target which I set was 19430. It's only 11 points. But the reason why I stop it is doesn't worth risking my capital for that 11 points. This is why I pulled out from a trade and lost a little bit of commission. So sometimes you just have to make a decision, whether you want to stay. You got to work on the profit and loss ratio. See, at the moment it's still stay, below the purchase price, the entry price. Start falling back to 19417. It's actually finding a lower spot now. I reckon it will go past the mark. Yes, I think it will. The lowest got to is 19415. I got a feeling the price will go down to 19405. Just touch it, or might be 19407 before it start bouncing up because of a faster chart. If you look at it, that's the point there. Should be now. It will start rebound from this point, but we'll go further down. If we believe that this is an uptrend, now could be the right entry point because the price at the peak had retraced about more than 61.8% already. So looks like it. If we make an entry price here, you might get about like 50 points with a stop of less than 15 points, so it's like a 1-to-4 ratio. So it is not bad to get in now. So I give it a try.
Order pending.
And I'm going to put a stop here.
Order pending. Order filled.
Fill the order. See whether it's it go further down. Theoretically, if you believe that is an uptrend, it should get to at least 194.92. About that point there. If it's sort of like bouncing up now. 194.91. Let's mark it. So it should be relatively safe to exit at this point.
Order pending.
Before 12 o'clock. Sorry, I got no confidence. I would just leave it. Close it now.
Order filled.
It doesn't seem to have any momentum going up at all, you know. So can't be able to wait that long. I think most of the traders are looking at this point in the moment. Therefore, might as well wait, because you gotta wait for other traders to make the decisions on whether they're going to put the market up or down. So might as well wait until it hit this point, because everyone are looking at the same thing. Everyone looking at the same support line. So we should be thinking sort of pretty much in line. So might as well wait for the others before I start making a move. Is seeking the price is seeking to a lower spot, and seems to rebound at this level 19399. Right, the price finally went past this support line there. So it's just a matter of, you know, if you believe that it is an uptrend, then you got to place a bet now. I'm going to put an order somewhere there. I'm going to wait and see whether the price will go back down here. Because if the price go past this line, it can keep going down and turn everything into a proper downtrend. If you look at yesterday's price as well, does it look like a downtrend to you? It does. So got to be very careful, you know. If the price assumed should below that 19376, then very likely they will keep going down. So we won't make an entry here. We'll sort of like wait for the price to go up before we do a short. It should back up, but if you look at this, looks pretty much like a downtrend to me. Although there are some missing parts in here.